Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to discover Devialet Dione. Before we begin, please ensure Devialet Dione is placed in a flat position. Start by cutting the protective seals. Then, gently remove the documentation cardboard and both side boxes. Remove the product from its packaging and place the installation wedges on a flat surface. Then place Devialet Dione upside down on the installation wedges. Warning: do not turn Dione upside down without using the installation wedges to avoid contact between the center sphere and a hard surface. Insert the power cable into the power port, then connect the appropriate audio cable to the soundbar. Use the HDMI cable if your TV has an HDMI eARC or ARC port. If your TV does not have an HDMI eARC or ARC port, use a Toslink optical cable. Place Devialet Dione on a stable and flat surface next to your TV. Make sure to leave some space between the wall and Devialet Dione. Avoid placing any objects on top of the soundbar and leave the sides unobstructed. If you wish to fix Devialet Dione on a wall, carefully read the wall mount guide inside the cardboard box marked Wall Mount Guide and refer to Devialet Dione wall mounting video to learn how. Connect the audio cable to the TV. Make sure to plug the HDMI cable into the HDMI eARC or ARC port on your TV, or use an optical cable. Then plug Devialet Dione into a power outlet and wait until the indicator light stops flashing. Download and launch the Devialet app to finish setup. To play via Bluetooth, press and hold Devialet Dione Bluetooth button for 2 seconds until the indicator light blinks blue. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your device and select Dione. We hope you have a great time using Devialet Dione.